vague
false.
issue. How is it false? I just read to you the actual U.S. code.
Not true. I'll tell you. No,
not true according to who?
I can tell you how it's false. Because according to the White House, Dan, according to the White House went to the Free Press yesterday. You should check your facts before you come on and defend the White House. The White House went to the Free Press and said, we're not accusing him of breaking any laws. So Congressman Dan Crenshaw is coming on TV making wild accusations of law breaking based on a quote that's not from Mahmoud Khalil.
Well, they're not wild
accusations.
It's just referencing the law.
They are. Well, hold on. Hold on, you're wrong, Dan. First, accept that you're wrong. The White House said to the Free Press, Barry Weiss's right-wing Free Press, this week, we are not accusing him of breaking any laws. In fact, if you want to understand the laws, you need to look at the Immigration National Act of 1952. They're actually taking him into deportation proceedings under Section 237A4CI, which allows Marco Rubio, the Secretary of State, to personally deport a migrant because he believes that migrant's presence has serious potential adverse consequences for U.S. foreign policy. That is the obscure act, which, by the way, was designed for Eastern European Jews to get rid of them because they were deemed to be communists in the 1950s. That is what Rubio is using to get rid of a lawful permanent resident. Now, whether that's legal or not, Trump's late sister, Judge Marion Trump Barry, said it was a violation of the First Amendment. We'll see if the Supreme Court gets involved. But the idea that we should live in a country where Marco Rubio or Antony Blinken can remove a green card holder because he doesn't like his views and they're against U.S. foreign policy, some nebulous aim, that's outrageous. And there was a time when the Republican Party would have been against that.
Thank you for making the argument
today,
stronger. You've added to my argument, and I appreciate that. So perhaps you should be defending the Trump administration
instead
of me.
I'm pointing out to you that he hasn't broken any laws. He hasn't committed any criminal violence. He hasn't broken any laws.
He
hasn't broken any laws. That law,
which Rubio is
no,
saying.
Dan, let me explain it to you again. That law gives Rubio the power to do it. That doesn't mean Mahmoud Khalil has broken any laws.
And I gave you
Maybe
another
you
law, I referenced another law.
And you're wrong. And you're wrong. The White House disowned you, Dan.
And
the White House disowned you. The White House said we're not accusing him of law breaking. Your White House, Dan. It's embarrassing for you because the White House disowned you, and you don't know that.
You just quoted Rubio referencing a law, did you not?
No, because you don't understand the law.
So what do you mean they're not?
The law gives Rubio, let me say it slowly then. Rubio has the power to remove someone he believes is against U.S. foreign policy.
Yes.
That is not someone who's broken the law. That just gives him immigration power. Nobody is suggesting Mahmoud Khalil has broken the law. He hasn't been charged with breaking any law.
I understand.
He was disappeared to Louisiana.
I understand what you're saying.
You say he broke the law. The White House says he didn't. So check with the White House on talking points before you come on TV.
I can have my own opinion on the legal justification of removing this person. Rubio has legal justification.
Okay, but the government disagrees with you that you're here to defend.
You're saying no, they don't.
I agree. He does have legal justification.
You're saying
unless the Supreme Court shoots it down.
Different, which is that there's.
I'm saying it's unconstitutional.
No law.
I'm saying that's unconstitutional.